spicy yard style mango cup. Look at that. Yeah. Yeah. Welcome to Cook and Vibe. My name is M.R. This is Cook and Vibe. Press the like button and hype up the video quick and surely, understand. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do the right thing. Yeah. So today, people, I don't know if you've seen this viral thing that's going around on the internet. These spicy mango cups. It's like got like chamoy and lime mango chunks and tagine seasoning and things. We are going to do our own style. You know what I go on Cook and Vibe. We always put a little twist and turn on anything we see. Today, we're going to be doing the yard version of the spicy mango cup. Now, these are your ingredients, people. Mangoes, obviously. Firm but ripe. Yeah. You're going to need some limes as well. Okay. Obviously, it's a yard style. So we got a little Scotch bonnet there. Just ease yourself. Don't worry too much. We got some chili powder. All right. They usually use tagine powder. Yard style we're dealing with. So we got chili powder. You understand? Even though it's not yard. But, you know, it's our own style. We ain't got chamoy. We got some of these squeezy candy things. These squeezy strawberry sour gel. And yeah, this kind of does the same thing. It squeezes out. Because I couldn't get any chamoy. And I couldn't get any tagine. So maybe we would do that one at another time. But we've also got some Bajan pepper sauce. You understand? We're not going to be using that. That's what I got the pen thing out of these juicy drops. But we ain't going to be using them. And we ain't going to be using that. But the pepper sauce, the limes, the Scotch bonnet, the mangoes, and the sour gel chili powder is going to get used for the mango cup. You understand? First thing we want to do is chop up these mango into chunks. Yeah. So first things first, people. We're going to peel off the mango and chop it into chunks. So let's just get the skin off of this. When I was looking at the recipe, it said firm but ripe mangoes are the best. So I think might be a little bit too, but we'll work with it. We'll work with it. Right. So we just get the last bit of this skin off, people. Yard style spicy mango cup. Yeah, man. You don't know anything we see go viral. We have to put a little twist and turn. You know what I'm saying? All right, so we peeled the mango. Now let's chop it up. Best thing to do is get down the side. Like that first. Should get a better bit on this side. There we go. Oh. Not the best mango. There we go. And then we do the same there. Same on this side. Trying to get it as chunky as possible. That should be good. Put this to the side. Don't want to waste no pip, that's the best part. Fully active. All right, let's just get these into chunks like that. Because the glass that we're using is not massive. I tried to get one of the, you know, the ones you see in the pictures, the plastic one. I couldn't get one. So we're just gonna have to use a normal see-through glass, but that's fine. We can work with it. You know what I'm saying? Big up to everybody supporting the channel. Hope you've been enjoying the recent episodes. I've good vibe. Do you know what it is, people? It's been really raining. It's just been raining for days. So I'm longing to get back out in the garden, fire up the barbecue, and get that going again. Because when the episodes indoors, they kind of lose. Don't really like doing episodes indoors. I much prefer doing them outside. They always kind of do better, get better views and better vibes. You know what I mean? But when it's raining, unfortunately, we live in the UK, so you don't know how the thing set. But we shall find as many cool things to do and viralness as possible. There we got our mango chunks. We're gonna now chuck this into a bowl. It goes into a bowl, people. Now it is time to season the mango. Now, these are the things when you're putting twists and turns on things, you kind of got to know what to do. Scotch bonnet. Does Scotch bonnet work with mango? I would say yes, personally. Do you know what I mean? So the first thing we're going to do is season up this baby with some real Caribbean flavors. You know what I mean? Aunt May's pepper sauce. You can't go wrong. Now, we're just going to add, this is going to be like one of the sauces that they had, because they had a few different sauces. So this is going to be our spicy. You know what I mean? So we're just going to add a little touch of this, not too much. I'll show you what we're going to add. So we just kind of want flavor. So we don't want to over spicy it. So little drops like that. 4, 5. That should be good. Oh, didn't want that last one, but hey, we've done it now. Now what we're going to do is we're going to give this a mix round with a spoon first. You can use any type of pepper sauce you want, people, but obviously go for one that's a proper pepper sauce so you get that proper Scotch bonnet flavor. So this is our first line of seasoning. A little bit there. This is our first line of seasoning. So we have got some pepper sauce. You can smell it, man. You might not see it, but boy, you can smell it. All right, next, people, we're going to go in with some lime. Yeah, we're going to squeeze some lime into this now. Cut up one of these limes. Just pull up that, people. All right, squeezed. The lime goes into the mango. I want to make sure I just cover everything. Might need a little bit more. I reckon that should be fine. All right, we've got our spicy, we've got our sour, and we've got our sweet so far with the mango. So someone left in the comment section, they said, we'd like to know like more about what's going on in your life and whatnot. So what I might do, people, is every episode, because I try and keep it cooking, but I might just switch it up in between the episode and just let you guys know what's going on apart from cooking, etc. You know what I'm saying? So first of all, let's start off with music. Right now, I've got a new song out. Well, it's a few weeks old now. It's called the Pum Pum Song. It's a drum and bass song. Mental. Make sure you go check it out.
England me come from Brixton, Birmingham, Kenton or Lewisham, Coventry and Nottingham. You know me love Jamaica, this a photo for no one.
Yeah, a madness. My next show is going to be in New York. Yeah, this month, 27th of June, I'm going to be live in New York, Queens. It's going to be crazy. First time performing live in New York. If you're in New York or in the surrounding areas, make sure you're forward for that one there. I'm going to put up the flyer here so you can see it. You can screenshot that and get the information. Been a bit of a bad week, going to be honest with you. Yes. The other day, right, I was just there and I was just doing some stuff and I was like, all right, I'm going to go live on TikTok. Let me put my phone on charge. So I put my phone on charge. Went to pick up my phone, took it off charge. It said the phone had done an update. All right, cool. Press OK. It went forward. It said this phone has been locked to the owner. To unlock the phone, put in the Apple ID address that you use to set up the phone. People, I can't remember that. I cannot remember that. That was a long time ago and I've changed it since then. So I'm on the phone to Apple, I'm on the phone to E, I'm trying to get through to my phone. I can't get on my phone. There's no way I can get into my phone. Literally, I've had to drive to an Apple store. Finally got in my phone, but I had to like reset it, and I lost all my footage, all my videos from my performances, my music on my phone, everything. So that was a little bit annoying, but I managed to get back into my phone and back into my account. So it was like, all right, let's keep it moving. 2 days later, I get a knock on the door. It's an enforcement officer. He's like, I recognize you, bro. And I'm like, yeah, what's going on, bro? He's like, sorry, man, but basically, you got a £600 recovery fine here for parking fines. I'm like, I said, mate, listen, just come in. Just come in, sit down. You know who I was anyway. I said, it might smell a little bit of Bob Marley, but if you don't mind that, just come in. He said, that's sweet. I said, come in, no problem. These times here, I'm having a madness because I ain't back into my bank account and trying to pay the thing. Anyway, I ended up paying the 600 quid. Bit obviously annoyed, but I thought, you know what? Let's keep it moving because it's nothing I can do about it, and it's my own fault. So I've gone out that day. I've gone out, drove to London, doing a couple bits, drove back. As I've drove back and I've got right near my house, my car, just the engine has just gone funny and mad. It started kicking out mad blue smoke out the back, and I'm like, yeah, that is not good. Done a little ChatGPT, took it down to the garage. Basically, car's finished. Oh my God, man. Now I got to buy a new car. So the past 2 days, I've been absolute murder. I had a car, I found a car, but then my insurance wouldn't cover it because it was an imported car. Searching around for cars. I think I found one, BMW. So hopefully by tomorrow, I don't know when this episode is going to go out, but hopefully by this time this episode goes out, I should have a new car, but which was annoying, being off the road. It's raining outside, so I can't really do any episodes outside. So yeah, but we're here, still breathing. We're there, spicy mango cup. Let's get back to it. It wouldn't be yard style without a Scotch bonnet. Now there's no way I'm going to be putting all this Scotch bonnet in. I reckon about that is going to be enough. Because remember, we've got pepper sauce in there as well. This one might have a little kick to it still, man, I lie. But are good vibes. So we're just going to chop up this. I don't want to touch it with my fingers. Be careful when you're chopping up peppers, people, especially Scotch bonnet. You don't want to touch it and then touch your eye. Let me actually get a bigger knife to just... I want this fine, people. I don't want this. I don't know big lumps in there that's gonna surprise me. You know what I'm saying? You know what that? Right. I reckon that should be okay. All right, we're gonna get this into, ooh, I can smell it, man. Okay. All right, let's get that bowl back. And let's chuck that Scotch bonnet in there. There we go. All right, ooh, chunky bit there. All right, now we're gonna give this a mix around, people. Yeah. Even them little bits of chili there, they're gonna rub onto every bit of mango. All right, now I'm thinking about it, there's a lot of spice in this. But hey, that's what we're doing. So now, chili powder. Just wanna sprinkle that. That's good. All right, cool. What we're gonna do now is gonna get one of these squeezy things, probably this one. It's mad little things. And we're gonna squeeze some of this on there. It might come out a little bit slow, there we go. That's not the way that I thought it was gonna. All right, cool. That's cool, we've got our sweet candy. We're gonna mix this anyway. We're gonna probably use the pen and not this one. I feel like this one's going to be better for what we need to be doing. Right, so this now is going to get a mix up. You can just, do you know what I mean? Fully active Mafada. Let's get all that sweetness in there. Oh, we lost one. One got away. We got an escapee. All right, we've got the chili powder mixed in. Now we've got the sweet, again from the strawberry candy. Now it is looking like we need it to look. Get that little last bit of sweet mixed in there. All right, cool. All right, now it is time to assemble the cup, people. All right, it is time to assemble the mango cup. All right, we've got this little pen thing here. We're gonna go around the outside with that and get that around there. Fully active. All right, it's working, it's working, it's working. All right, as you can see, we've got it around the edge of the glass now. Now we're gonna put in the mango into here. Fully active, Mafada. It smells spicy, it smells sweet. It smells really nice. Good vibes. We're nearly there. Nearly there. Couple more. I think it might just be perfect, actually, what we've got in here. Let's get them last bits in there. Yeah, there we go. Ooh, we've got another escapee. That's cool. All right, cool. We've got 2 escapees. Don't worry about them. And to finish it off, people, we're just gonna sprinkle a little bit of chili powder on top, and we finish with a little bit. Is this the right way? Oh, this way. We're gonna finish with some more of the sour candy. Let me squeeze that down a little bit. There we go. All right. And there you have it. The yard style spicy mango cup. Spicy yard style mango cup. Look at that. Yeah. Fully active, people. Yeah, man. Switch it up yard style. You know what I'm saying? Let's just show you around so you can see what's going on. Try it. Well, I better try it first. But there you go. There you have it, man. Your spicy yard style mango cup. Taste time, people. Nah, I'm not sure how this is gonna go down. Let's just, got another escapee. All right. Oh yeah. Oh, that's really good. Oh. It really works, you know. I'm not even lying. It's not too spicy. It's got like a little kick to it. So it's a spicy mango cup. Sour candy works. Scotch bonnet works. Chili powder. The candy. That's really good. I can see why this is going viral. Wow. I'm gonna mash up this. Yeah. Do you know what? That was really nice. I've just eaten some dinner and I had that afterwards, and it was like the perfect, like, yeah, it's different, it's spicy, it's sweet. That candy thing is not sour, really. It's just like squeezy candy, so it's not too bad. It all worked really perfectly. Nothing overpowered anything in it. Try it out, man. This is a viral spicy yard mango cup. Fully active. Hope you enjoyed today's episode. haven't subscribed already, please do the right thing. Hit that like button and hype up the video. I'll see you next time, people, hopefully in the sunshine.